Every home tells a story.
And for us, it's always about helping people start theirs. Villa Preciosa started its operation last 2013 here in Baguio City. Since then, tuloy-tuloy na kami nagbibigay ng serbisyo at tinutulungan ng mga kliyente na mahanap ang tamang property para sa kanila. We give them good service in their real estate needs. To our sellers, finding the right buyers for their property, and to our developers, tinutulungan namin silang ma-dispose ang kanilang inventory.
Villa Preciosa Realty started with a simple goal. Gusto naming gawing mas accessible, mas reliable, at mas stress-free ang real estate process. Napansin namin na maraming clients ang nahihirapan or na-overwhelmed. So we built a company na hindi lang nagbebenta, but really guides clients every step of the way.
We offer different products and services depende sa need ng kliyente. Under our brokerage, we offer pre-selling homes and condominiums to ready-for-occupancy homes, lots, either raw lots, commercial, residential, beach lots, or agricultural, to construction, renovation, and property management. Under our services, we help in home loan assistance, documentation, appraisal, and consultancy. So, mas madali para sa kliyente dahil andito na lahat ng produkto at serbisyo. At sinisiguro namin na magiging smooth ang proseso.
Our mission is simple: to provide affordable, comfortable, and satisfying services sa bawat client.
And our vision is to become a trusted real estate provider, hindi lang locally, but internationally.
Importante sa amin ang integrity, number 1 yan. Professionalism at malasakit sa clients. Hindi lang ito about sales. It is about building long-term relationships.
Yung tagline namin na be at home with us, hindi lang siya words. It reflects how we treat our clients, parang pamilya, with trust and care.
Kasi for us, it's not just about finding a property. It is about helping you find a place na talagang matatawag mong home. We invite you to start your real estate journey with us.
For your real estate needs, you're at home in Villa Preciosa Realty Inc. Be at home.
Be at home.
Be at home.
Be at home. Be at home.
Be at home.
Be at home.
Be at home.
Be at home with us.